Alright, so I'm just going to go out and get a feed of fish. I'm just trying to work out on the Central Coast where I'm about to spearfish. I got red moong. I've got a few family members coming around, so I'm just going to check out a few of these spots with the drone and see which spots are on. Alright, let's send her up. Let's go find some. So I'm on my way to Bullama. I'm going to go house, see how clear it is. I'm going to check that furthest point. I'm just having a look over that reef now. Looks pretty clear, like over those little spots. So I'm gonna get into those and go suss out those little bombies. So we're just tracking it down now. It's a beautiful morning. Overcast, nice and cold, but a bit humid. And we've just approached like the first little cove there. And it's just absolutely just steel. Like this is open sea and it's just flat. So I've pretty much fucked most species here on the east coast of Australia, like in the shore or on the reefs, but I haven't been too successful with flathead. One, because I don't have patience to shoot them on the sand. Two, is like I just don't see them when I'm going through the sand. So we're going for a massive one today. And Izzy, come on with us. We've just trekked it probably half an hour to 40 minutes on this bush trail. And we've finally come to our spot and it's looking mint. Get a crack on of how clear and flat this spot is. I was so hyped. I love these days when it's just absolutely. Check out how easy this entry point is. Chuck the gun in, fins on, gloves on, let's go. Pumped. So I can see it's a flathead and it's just sitting on that ledge. So I'm going to go in and pluck it off. You can barely see him. He's just sitting there on the ledge, just stalking the yakkers as they're swimming past. And bam, I just got him straight in that sweet spot. Let's do it. Woo! Perfect little flatty. This afternoon was just producing. How good is the sunset? Dropping behind the mountains. I'm just securing some few fish for some dinner for that night and for the week ahead. This one was like the biggest one of the day. Hey, it was huge. It was just sitting with its little one. And as I was lining it up, just as I went to pull the trigger, it just got away. Hey, legit for another 5 more minutes. There was another one. They seemed to love that little bit of sand there with the kelp around. So I was always looking out for those, and bam, I got that one straight in the sweet spot, stoned it, didn't even move.
What was that?
A fucking flathead, man.
Top of sand?
Yeah. We'll have that for dinner. Yeah. This little bugger was so hard to get. I tried shooting at it, got away, went at it again, bam, missed it. The reaction time's incredible on these things. And then legit another 5 minutes later, bam, another little spot there with the weed around it. And I secured this one with a nice shot in the head. Shuey! And bam, I saw this huge one, took a shot. It was that shallow, I couldn't even get the GoPro underwater. And I got it onto the side of the head and it ripped out. It was so strong, this thing. I wish I secured that one. That would have been the biggest one I've ever got. I ended up moving out a bit further out to the reef so I could get 2 moong to take in along with all these flathead. So I secured 2 mowies there. One nice one. Out of the water. We got another one. A good slaughter of fish. Video. Mowies, bam, safety on. Took a shot. Flatty. Bam. Secured that second one there. Really craving a poke bowl. So a few red moong. I'll sashimi them up, chuck them in with some sriracha, peri-peri sauce, some mayo, and maybe some fresh veggies there. Then we'll cook a nice poke bowl. I got shown how to do it last time by Eric, so yeah, just hold up and I'll show you how to do it, eh? Tomato,
capsicum.
Thank you. Maggi soy.
Wow.
So nice.